And so today, Amal, Aisha, and I will be discussing the top 10 Winter 26 features for admins. So let's get started. So one of the features is the type ahead search in list views. You could quickly locate your fields when you're customizing list views. It helps reduce scrolling and setup time as well. So you could see here in the little diagram the different fields that are available to choose on the left, and you can make them visible fields by moving them over to the left column and then saving them.
Yeah, I can definitely say this is very useful because when you have like 500 or 400 fields, it definitely gets crazy. So I think this is going to be very useful when we have a lot of fields on any object. Thank you. Yeah, we can go for it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so another feature is the disable formulas in exported reports. Export cleaner data without formula calculated values. This is ideal for data analysis tools outside of Salesforce. Um, so in the first column, you can see there's a formula in column C, and below in the other chart, if you put you could see that that was removed by putting the apostrophe at the top. Have you guys used this before?
This is
I'm sure.
something new.
You-
I didn't use it before.
I see. So it's allowing us to disable the formulas now.
yes, exactly.
Oh, okay.
You, c-
So okay, gotcha. I don't think I used this before actually. That's a good learning for me. Yeah.
So while sending report as a CSV, this is very helpful when we want to download and it's
right.
not masking the data what they want to see.
Exactly. Yes.
I see.
So it's much cleaner. All right. So the next feature is the reference line in dashboard charts. So you can add a benchmark line to your charts, and it helps you visualize targets versus the performance. As you can see below, in the little example, you have the new cases report, and the red line, that would be your benchmark line on the chart.
Oh, I see. There are really small details actually which I never really paid attention to, and that's actually good. Thank you.
I have one question. I think Jasnia, you already went over just
Mhm.
the benchmark. It is set across the domain or the services you already are using, or it is something defined by the team, the internal team. When you say
Um,
about the line of the benchmark, if you have
uh,
any insights in
that's
that.
a good
I think
question.
I think that's in the report, right? So when you create the report, that's when you add these benchmarks
Okay.
to this. I mean, this is not specific to org. This is like specific to that report or chart, I
Yeah.
guess.
Okay. Thank you. This is very insightful. I should get dive in more to learn this.
Right. Yeah.
Yes. So,
It's basically the way we create these reports or charts in Excel, right? And then we configure the parameters like what's the minimum, maximum, and like what all other attributes we have. It similarly, I think they have added it here as well
yeah, so if you look
for
at the left
configuration.
side, there's a little box
Right, checkbox.
highlighted. You
Hmm.
could check that box to show the line,
Right,
and the value is set to 15.
right,
And you could, I believe you could change that number as well so
right.
that it is customizable.
Yeah, that makes sense.
The next feature we have are enhanced field history tracking. So this is expanded history tracking details. It improves auditing and troubleshooting.
Oh, I
Um,
see.
this,
So we are able to do it for all the objects now and at one place. That was always a mess actually. We had to go to individual object and then track history for that. So this is good. So we can have everything at one place.
yes, that definitely does help make things easier. Okay. Um, this is also user field history tracking. You track changes to the user records and you have increased visibility into user lifecycle management. So this is more specific to the user records.
Got it.
Next is the auto unassigned permission set licenses. So you can automatically remove unused ESLs. It helps maintain license compliance and reduce cleanup.
Oh, I see. You mean like it's going to automatically remove after a certain number of days if the user is not logged in or if his user is not using it? Maybe we have to check like how they are automatically removing that. Maybe they might have some configurations for that, I guess.
Uh, yeah, I have not used this yet.
Yeah, that's okay.
Sure.
I know this when the user is inactive for certain period, then it goes and removes the licenses set
Oh,
that
I
can
see.
be
Okay,
utilized for the new users instead
I
of
see.
going individually and cleaning up.
Where do we configure that though? Like, do you have any
Uh,
configuration?
no, it's our team is right now exploring right now. We have 30 days
Okay.
of inactivity. We set that period
Oh, I see.
if the user is inactive for 30 days and we deactivate the user. Once that deactivate, then this licenses set gets removed from that user that can be utilized for the
I
new
see.
user group.
And where do you configure this 30 days? Like,
We actually right now we are using SSO. From there, we are doing automation. We
okay,
set a
got it.
automation when the user is deactive, then go here and deactivate
Right, right.
completely. Yeah,
Okay, understood. Yeah, thank you.
this is
Yeah,
very
so
useful.
this,
Thank you,
yeah, is
Jesse,
to
for
help
bringing this.
take out that manual work out of your plate. All right. So the next one is multi-column list view sorting. So you can sort by multiple columns simultaneously. This gives you a better list view organization and data insights. So now, instead of, sorting the list view by a single column, now you can sort it by a multi-column.
Wow, this is actually interesting. This is definitely gonna be useful for some people.
This is definitely useful for sales users in a large scale,
Right.
where they have multiple list views for their each team, so they
Right.
can sort according to their business needs.
Yeah. Actually, I do remember once this wasn't possible, so they had to create custom page actually,
Yep.
literally for this specific requirement. We had to do that.
Yeah.
This is
At
good.
least different list views for each group set of
Right.
users.
Right. Right.
Yeah. Yeah. So with this, you sort up to 5 column at once, um, which is helpful. Okay, the next one. is multi-language translations for reports and dashboards. Global teams can view analytics in their language. This helps improve international usability.
Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, this makes sense to me, actually,
Yes.
because I don't think they had this feature for reports before. So, that's good.
Mm. All right. Let's see. I think we have one more, two more. So the next one is retain report table settings in dashboards. Dashboard tables now keep report formatting. It ensures consistent presentation of data. So it could remember things like groupings, custom formulas, and bucketing on your dashboard.
Oh, I see. Gotcha.
And this can be enabled in setup, reports, and dashboard settings.
Hmm.
Right. So the last feature, top 10 feature, is a new setup homepage. It's redesigned UI for admins, gives you quick access to common tools and insights. Um, so it's just a better experience overall for admins.
Got it.
Yeah, I remember this way back, like last year, when I attended one of this session where they were developing this, and it for each admin has to go through 1297 different setup pages for different use cases.
Oh
So
wow.
now,
Seriously.
yes, to address that, they have redesigned this. So a setup page, just by searching, you can bring. They show the summary where it has been used, the different fields, and what are the layout it touches, and mostly the profiles where it is used. So this is like a life changing for the admins.
Wow, you have like a great details of this particular situation. Looks like you work for Salesforce, or you should be.
No, no, this is one of the user group I attended. I just attended, and
I see.
it
Yeah,
stuck to my head.
nice. That's awesome though. That's good. That's
Yeah.
good. Great. Good. That's great. Justinia, are those the 10? Nice. That's well, Justinia. Thank you so much. This was really useful, and this was really good because now there are so many different things which we don't pay attention to usually, and then this particular sessions like this definitely helps. And thank you so much for your efforts and your presentation. Appreciate that.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, Jasnia. Yeah, the small details we get to learn a lot when we attend the small nugget groups.
Yes,
Yeah,
I agree.
Yeah.
yeah. Right. Thank you.
Okay,